All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're getting into something super practical, liver health. Specifically, how you can naturally lower those liver enzymes that might pop up on a blood test.
Oh.
And our entire mission for this deep dive is built around UK-specific tips, all pulled directly from the guidance over at Blood Test UK.
Exactly. And before we jump in, let's just be clear about what we mean by liver enzymes. We're mostly talking about ALT and AST.
Okay.
Think of them as, well, distress signals. If your liver is overworked or stressed out, it starts releasing them into your blood.
So this is all about lowering that stress.
Precisely. And the data shows that small, simple, local changes can bring about really big results. That's the main benefit we want you to see.
Okay, great. So let's frame this around a few simple ideas. Let's start with food and drink, the simple swaps. Why are these enzyme signals rising so fast here in the UK?
Well, the analysis from Blood Test UK points the finger straight at diet. It's a major trigger for, believe it or not, about 30% of adults.
30%? Wow.
And it's not just bad eating in general. It's specifically the amount of heavily processed foods, the ones loaded with sugar and fats. They just force the liver into overdrive.
So the immediate benefit is just taking that burden off? The source suggests swapping those processed snacks for local seasonal produce?
Yes.
So just heading to a local market for fresh vegetables, maybe some whole grains.
And what's really fascinating is why that helps. Those local greens, for example, give your liver the exact tools, the micronutrients it needs to do its job and clean itself up. It's a guaranteed win.
And on the drink side of things, we have to talk about alcohol.
Oh, absolutely.
The UK guidance is really clear on this one for liver health. Keep it under 14 units a week.
That's right. And cutting back is probably one of the fastest ways you'll see a real measurable drop in those enzyme levels.
Okay, so from food, let's move on to movement. The NHS recommends adults get at least 150 minutes of activity a week. And this is where the local angle is so good. You don't need a fancy gym. The source material talks about something as simple as a brisk walk in a local park.
Or getting on your bike and cycling some of those lovely countryside routes we have. That constant movement helps reduce fat in the liver, which is a massive benefit.
But, we do have to acknowledge the famous UK weather, the rain.
Yes. Consistency is the main thing here. The analysis suggests finding some easy indoor options. A local swimming pool, maybe a community gym.
Just to make sure you get those 150 minutes in, rain or shine.
Exactly.
Now, here's a part I found particularly interesting. The simple herbal helpers.
Yes.
Blood Test UK specifically mentions British herbal teas, things like dandelion, nettle, and especially milk thistle.
And these aren't just, comforting drinks. Milk thistle contains something called silymarin, which is proven to help protect and repair liver cells.
And these are things you can find easily, right?
Oh, absolutely. In any British pharmacy or local health shop, it just shows that natural, local solutions can be really powerful.
Okay, finally, let's talk about hydration and rest. Stress and not getting enough sleep, you should be aiming for 7 to 9 hours. That also pushes enzyme levels up.
It does. And the fix is simple. Just drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water or herbal tea every day. It helps the liver flush everything out.
Right. And that leads to a really critical point about professional guidance. The data suggests that over 20% of cases with high enzymes are linked to medications.
Just 2%. It's a high number. And we're talking about common things, even over-the-counter painkillers like paracetamol sometimes.
That's a really sobering thought. So the takeaway here is you absolutely must talk to your GP about everything you're taking.
And get those routine blood tests. It's what Blood Test UK recommends. It's not just to track your progress with these new habits, it's to stay safe.
So if we pull it all together, the big picture is that these simple local habits.
Yeah, eating more seasonal veg, taking a brisk walk, staying hydrated.
They give your liver all the support it needs to stay healthy.
That's the core benefit.
So here's a final thought. If something as simple as walking in a local park or drinking a tea made from a wild British plant can make such a proven difference, what other easy local changes could you start today to feel even better? Something to think about until our next deep dive.